Hello, this is Ivan. Welcome to Metroplex Pools. I'm going to go over how to winterize the equipment and also the skimmer. Of course, Metroplex Pools is not responsible for any freeze damage, but we're just here to try to help our customers through. So the first thing you want to do is remember that the equipment has freeze protect built in. So at 38 degrees, the pump would come on and run the water through the equipment, and that will prevent any freezing. But if you lose power, it's your last resort. Winterize steps are like this. First thing we do is we go to the breaker panel and we kick off all the large 220 breakers. You can leave the smaller ones on, but just kick off the large breaker, okay? And then you would start at your pump. Okay, zoom down here. There's two wing nuts right here, so you would open both of those and let that drain. And open the lid right here, and then when we take these out, then we would put them in your basket right here. Okay, so I'm not going to do this one, of course, because we're not winterizing. Then also you would the filter right here, there's an air release. You would open this air release, and then you would drain your filter. There's a drain plug. This one's in the back. Sometimes it'll be in the front. And then your heater right here is another drain plug. So you take that wing nut out, and that drains the heat exchanger. And then on your salt cell, you would want to loosen these and at least let some air in so that the water will make its way down to below ground. Okay, so this procedure here is to help winterize your skimmer, because that's the second item in your backyard pool that you need to protect if you have a winter storm and the power is out. Okay, so if the power's out and you cannot run your water through your system, you can purchase a gizmo, something like this. It has threads at the bottom. You would take the basket out, and then you screw the gizmo into your threads right there, and then if there's water freezing over the top, it would squeeze the gizmo instead of putting pressure on the skimmer and cracking the skimmer. Okay, that's one option. The second option, if you just leave your basket in and you get a bottle of full strength antifreeze, open the top, leave this kind of loose, and just set this thing inside and let it rest right there. And the bottle will squeeze if there's any ice that is putting pressure inside the skimmer, and that will help protect your skimmer. Okay, Metroplex Pools, thanks.